Google Meet makes it easy to create quick meetings in addition to your scheduled ones. You have 3 options: start a meeting instantly, create a link for later, or schedule one in Google Calendar. In this video, we'll walk through the first 2 options. To start a video meeting from Meet, go to meet.google.com and click New Meeting. To start a new meeting instantly, click Start an Instant Meeting. If you want to add guests, click Add Others. Enter the names or email addresses of the people you want to invite. Then click Send Email. Alternatively, you can click the People icon and then Add People. Now let's walk through how to create a meeting for later. Start by clicking New Meeting, then Create a Meeting for Later. A pop-up window will appear with the joining info for your meeting. This includes the web address of the meeting and a dial-in number and PIN code for those who want to join the meeting from their phone. Click the Copy icon to copy the joining information so that you can share the meeting details. To join the meeting you just created, paste the link into a new tab or in the open field on the Google Meet homepage. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.